Well, we're here reminiscing on the 71 Cutlass. Yeah. We got her down, moved some stuff out of the way. We still got a lot of work to do. But we just want to pull this down, take the cover off, see what's up.
Wipers? This thing's an Oldsmobile. The wipers are gas.
It's an Oldsmobile.
You said the wipers are gas.
The wipers don't use this. The wiper did.
Still needs some work, but the plan is to restore this baby and bring her back to life.
You gotta put an Aussie motor in it.
I don't even know if it. Hey, look at it. It's freaking big. Look at the pig right there.
There's bears in the back.
Big. How the hell do you open this door?
You don't. Yeah, she needs some work here too, for sure.
I'll go through the other side.
I don't know, man. Alright. Man, it feels weird being in here, but it feels good.
Yeah, I mean, hey, record me. Hey, mate, what's up?
Hey, mate.
What's up, mates?
Does need a little bit of work. Well, quite a bit.
Yeah. Hi.
But we'll get there.
Hey, show me. Hey, mate.
You really want to be seen so bad?
What's up, mate?
Yeah. Yeah. You guys can see there's a lot of storm damage and stuff. They're cleaning stuff up. And I am back in the Mustang. We got the 410 gears done, Yukon diff, or Yukon carrier, motor performance, bearings and all that stuff. So my mile per hour, all that stuff's gonna be off a little bit. But a slight howl, nothing major, but Riverview Auto did a spectacular job at putting this car together. And when up in like 55, 60, 70, there's like no howl at all. I mean, these guys are amazing. They did a great job. The car's back together. And before I actually get on her, I'm gonna wait about 500 or so miles before we actually have some fun. Otherwise, yeah. For now, we're just gonna baby this sucker. Got my wife behind me. We got some food. It's time to go home and eat some grub. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Yeah. See if we can see this. There it is. All new. So you just gotta take it easy on the car. There's my babe with the food. But all right, now we're doing the break-in period. I gotta get my vanilla shake, you know me. But I am excited. The car is working good. I have not got a chance to really launch on it, but it sounds really, really good on the highway. So I can't complain. Thanks to Riverview Auto. You guys are amazing. And soon we'll get some big old slicks on the back of this thing, and we'll see what she can do. But that'll be for another time. Yeah. Well, guys. I mean, this isn't a Mustang, but it is a Dodge. And I just so happened to be driving the truck to work. I mean, I was in the Mustang. The rear end got done. Everything was said and done. Driving to work. And then, of course, they're doing construction up here. And there's some type of metal object in the road I could not see. But, well, by the time I saw it, it was too late. I smacked it with my tire and blew the tire right out. So, yeah. Car's back at Lee's, which is Riverview Auto. And I'm going to see if they can fix it. If not, I ordered a brand new tire, which is on the way. Well, will be on the way. It's just my luck. It's the way it's been going lately. So yeah, I got Mason behind me in the Boss 302, and we're gonna head to work. I was gonna ride with him, but I don't know if he's gonna get forced to stay late at work or not, so that's why I picked up the truck and said screw it, dropped off the car, and we'll see where that goes for now. But thanks for stopping by, guys, and checking out the video of my great luck. It's amazing, and I'll catch you later.